haven't made a video in quite a long time, but I am back and we are gonna catch some fish. It is January and it is cold today. Not super cold, but it is a little bit chilly. Flows are like medium high. We're gonna get no sun today, so probably not gonna get a bump in temps in the river, but it's okay. We're gonna grind out a few. Let's get out there. All right, Chase is the first to be hooked up. Yeah, here, just drag him over here. Yep. Up more. There you go.
I felt him hit once and then I cast it.
Yep. Well, it started raining. And yeah, I'm getting cold. But Chase got his first one. Yep, there you go. All right, put him back in. All right, let's go get some more. All right, we're hooked up with one. I had fished through once, and then what I did is I went and I changed up all my flies, and I spaced them out a little bit more too. And then this guy came along. See what we got him on in one moment. Nice wild looking brown. Barely got him in the lip. All right, Chase.
We did it.
Both on the board. What that guy took was, if I could get it unknotted, was that guy right there. All right, hooked up again. This one feels maybe a little bit better. Starting to rain a little harder. A pot of fish right over here. Where is he? Jesus. Jumping all over the place. Yeah, he took that same fly. All right. There you go. See ya, Mr. Brown. Let's go catch some more. All right. Walking out of spot one. My feet are cold. I got holes in basically my entire waders, just have holes in them. So my body's pretty cold. My feet are very cold. We're probably gonna go grab a bite to eat, warm up a little bit before we head back out. All right, we getting some food, warming up. We're getting warm. What do you got to eat, Chase?
Yeah, fries.
Got fries?
They're not that good.
Gas station fries aren't that good. So that's the fuel. That is what's gonna get us to catch some more fish, and that's what's gonna get us to catch a big fish is fries. We're gonna go ahead to the next spot, and yeah, see you guys there. Hooked up. I haven't seen it yet, but oh, nice little rainbow. Nothing too nice. Not too big, but now I got it, Chase. Here, you want to feel special? Here you go. You got it. There you go. And you almost up too. There you go. Show them for the camera. There you go.
Nice fish.
Little rainbow. All right, let's see if we can get at least one more out of here. All right, we are calling it a wrap. Just finished up from the spot, only that one, so leaving the day. I got 3, Chase got 1, but overall it was a good day. It was cold. It's winter, it's January, so you know, it's not gonna be fantastic, and it was rainy, and I'm cold myself. I know Chase is cold, so we're gonna head out. Yeah, Chase, do you have anything to see? Chase got his first tightline fish today.
No, I thought today was great. It was definitely cold. It was really cold, but we did a lot better than I expected we would, so I'm happy with the day.
All right, I will see you guys in the next video. I know it's been a long time. This is my first video in a while, but hopefully I can start cranking some out, and I will see you guys in the next one.